Namaskar. Every one of us always curious about upcoming year and want to know how will be the next year. I am going to explain you in simple and easy steps to find out how is going to be your next year. It is so simple that you can calculate yourself in few minutes. So let's assume you were born on 22nd November. So let us find out how the coming year 2022 will be for this person born on 22nd November. Here are steps to calculate and find out how will be 2022 for person born on 22nd November. Date of birth is equal to 22. Month of birth is equal to 11. Current year is equal to 2022. Add all of above and found 2055. Now all these digits to find out one single number. Add to plus 0 plus 5 and we found 12. Now add 1 plus 2 and we found 3. Now you can check significance of number 3 and find out what is in store for 3. I am detailing one by one significance of each number from 1 to 9. Significance of number 1, upcoming year, have large hopes of improvement in multi directions. You will able to take lead and shape up for betterment. Don't be afraid of asking favors from your seniors. You can drive through much benefit through influence. You will achieve growth and self confidence. Look for greater power and fresh opportunities. Be ready to take on more responsibilities. Your new associates will become your long lasting friends. Significance of number 2, this is year of romance, which will lighten your burden and create interest in daily routine. There may be slow progress in realizing your ambition, and you will gradually change the direction of efforts as you will have fresh ideas and outlets. Close relatives will have good influence over important trends. Your magnetic personality will bring new friends. Do not be impatient. Partnerships will prosper. In general, this is going to be very good year. Significance of number 3. This is the year of success. Self expression is of prominence this year, so be careful what you say. You can market your ideas promptly. This year is more expansive than you have seen last 5 to 6 years. Your earnings will increase and you will be more optimistic. Your partners will be helpful and sympathetic to you. Your outlook to future will change for higher perspective. Significance of number 4. This is going to be a notable year. Series of changes will occur. Unexpected and sudden developments will take place bringing in new association and friendships. You may expect series of lucky incidents this year. You will place great weight to new attachments. You will display calm and collected behavior. Significance of number 5. This is going to be a pleasant year. There will be travel, buying, selling, fresh opportunities will signify this year. You will be fully occupied commercially. You may receive fresh offers, which holds the possibility of improvement in your status. Temperamentally, you will be uneasy and uncertain. Significance of number 6. This year is going to be for family and friends. You will develop a easygoing attitude. The outlook is going to be more cheerful. If you are away from home, your mind will be occupied by domestic affairs. Married life is going to be happy and harmonious this year. Significance of number 7. This is going to be year of peace. Your affairs will move slowly. Matters related to distance should be attended on priority. Overall good year. Significance of number 8. Shadow of past is going to influence this year. Do not look for quick gains. There might be delays causing frustration. Gain through buying are seen, but not a favorable time to sell. Energy and force are bestowed upon you this year. You should use this power for creative and constructive use. Significance of number 9. Variety of experiences are expected this year. This year will be more dashing and aggressive. Be on your guard not to involve with quarrels. Avoid becoming more impulsive, reckless, and ambitious. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Please watch other videos to benefit through numerology.